My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we're talking about the Ankr network, Ankr coin, friends. What's the current price of Ankr coin and what's the price since goes at this time in Ankr coin? In this video I will show you, friends, so keep watch this video till the end, friends. And this video I will also give you a good decision for all of you that what's the best time to buy, sell or hold Ankr network, is because at this time a lot of people do a mistake, friends. So be safe from this mistake and be safe from loss, friends. What's your opinion about Ankr coin? Please also share this point in the comment box, friends. That's very, your opinion is very important for me because I'm a holder of Ankr network, friends. Now, friends, anyways, let's start the video, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button and like this video, friends. Thank you so much, friends. Now, friends, if we look the price at this time, price of the Ankr network 0.179104 USD dollar is the currently price of Ankr coin, friends. And if you look the price is so in the Ankr network, so absolutely I like this kind of change. Only and only positive change occur in the Ankr network. The last 1 week change is gone positive. Last 1 day price change gone positive, and last 1 hour change price also gone positive, friends. And now let's see for more details the price prediction chart, friends. That is the last 1 day price prediction chart of the Ankr network, friends. Here is a shock news for all of you. As you can see here at this point, and the places on the some places the falls occur in Ankr coin, friends. So what's the reason at this point? Why they falls down in this point, friends? The reason is that as you know, it is the start of new month, friends. Today is the third date of May, friends. It is a start month, friends. That is why a lot of cryptocurrencies falls down, friends. Not only Ankr network falls down, a lot of cryptocurrencies falls down, friends. So I think it's the best time to hold your coin at this time, friends. If we look the price change occur in the last 1 day, so the last 1 day price change as positive 2.94%, and the highest price of the Ankr coin is about 0.180753 USD dollar, friends. I think it's the best time to hold your coin and be safe from loss. What's your opinion about Ankr network? Please share in the comment box, friends. And kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.